Hello everyone! Welcome to Vege and Koji Zen Cooking Lab. Let's boost your immunity with Japanese fermented food. My name is Yoshiki Ito. In this channel, I will introduce Shojin Cuisine. Shojin Cuisine is vegetarian food eaten in Japanese Buddhist temples, and I am using fermented seasonings as food in all the recipes. I would like to propose weekend Shojin Cuisine just for a start. Today's weekend Shojin Cuisine is pumpkin and prune mash. Shio Koji adds umami and mild saltiness to pumpkin itself and makes it so delicious. Fermented seasonings are indispensable for cooking as they add a nice aroma and deliciousness to my dishes. I will also show you how to make a pumpkin skin snack. I hope you like it. Now let's make pumpkin and prune mash together. It requires only 4 ingredients. Ingredients: 400 grams pumpkin, 60 grams dry prunes, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon Shio Koji. Please see here for how to make Shio Koji. I will put the link in the description below. First, wash the pumpkin. Remove pumpkin seeds. Don't throw these seeds away as they will be a delicious treat. Put the cotton part in miso soup or soup. In fact, this cotton part and seeds are sweeter than pumpkin and contains twice as much phytochemical beta-carotene. It is effective in improving antioxidant power and immunity. It's a waste to throw them away. Second, peel the pumpkin thickly about 2 mm. The trick is to peel it a little thicker. If you are afraid to peel this way, remove the skin without folding the pumpkin in your hands. You see it looks like this. You are not scared, right? Please save this skin as it will be a delicious snack later. Third, spread the cooking seed on the oven plate. Line the prepared pumpkins in a single layer. Put the washed seeds on together. Fourth, bake at 210 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Fifth, cut the prunes while baking the pumpkin. Sixth, put pumpkin in a bowl and mash it. Seventh, add Shio Koji oil and prunes. Eighth, mix them. Ninth, it's done. It is eaten as is, put on bread or put in salad. Fill this pumpkin in average deep fried tofu and bake until crispy. And it is delicious eat with Worcestershire sauce. Next is how to make pumpkin seed snacks. First, wash the seeds with water. Second, bake in an oven at 210 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. This time I bake it with pumpkin side by side. Third, fry in oil so that the low heat goes through. Fourth, add salt, pepper, and a little soy sauce if you like and mix. Fifth, it's done. It's a little hard, but it's a good snack. Finally, cook the pumpkin skin. First, put a generous amount of olive oil in the frying pan and heat it. Second, add the pumpkin skin and stir fry. Third, add maple syrup and a little Shio Koji and mix. Fourth, it's done. Actually, I prefer skin rather than pumpkin flesh. It is delicious, nutritious, and effective in relieving fatigue and relieving swelling. At in Shojin Cuisine, we appreciate the life around us and try not to throw away the ingredients as much as possible. I believe that this feeling will also lead to cherishing the earth. My beloved Koji has many other powers besides making food delicious. For example, improve the intestinal environment, reduce stress, counter aging, strengthens the immune system, helps digestion. Let's take Koji every day to extend our healthy life expectancy. On my channel, I will introduce a lot of dishes using this Shio Koji and other Koji seasoning. And I will also introduce Shojin Cuisine that is 100% plant-based and uses this Koji seasoning. Let's have fun with weekend Shojin Cuisine together. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとうございました。